Hello, boys and girls. You've been doing a great job learning about our solar system. We live on the planet Earth, and we're going to learn a little bit more. I am going to read a story titled When Planet Earth Was New. This was Earth, long before plants, animals, or people, billions of years ago, when planet Earth was new. You could not walk on the searing hot molten rock that flowed there, or breathe the deadly poison gas that swirled there. Nothing could. There was no life on Earth when planet Earth was new. Millions of years passed, and slowly, so slowly, Earth started to cool. The hot liquid rock became solid. A sky full of water vapor poured down as rain. For millions of years it rained. The rain formed huge oceans, and the oceans are where life first grew. Tiny life forms grew into mats of slimy green. They formed mounds of strange rock. For millions and millions of years, these small forms of life did something quite big. They helped make the oxygen in the air, the oxygen that you breathe and that all animals need to live. Life evolved in the oceans, life evolved on land, but Earth's great globe of life did not evolve all at once. Can you guess? It took millions and millions and millions of years for ancient life to evolve. Through all the time, ancient species lived and thrived. Through all this time, ancient species went extinct. Their kind died. It took millions and millions of years of more to evolve the life we see on Earth today. Life that includes people like you and me. People now live all over the world. It may seem as if we have been here forever, but human life is a speck in time in the history of old Earth. This is Earth today, now billions of years older. It's greener and bluer, more comfortable and much cooler than when planet Earth was new. Great job!